Hi viewers, welcome to Alfreton train station today. Yesterday was at Ambergate and what Stanwell. Here we are, Alfreton. That train is 158788. I'm not sure where it's going. I think it's going to Norwich. 4 carriages, I think it's going to Norwich, yep. Eight eight nine on the back. 15888. What was on the front? I can't remember now. Never mind. Here we go. Wait for some more trains. Building work continues at Alfreton train station, folks. Going to be quite a long time before it's actually finished. Sometime next year. But that rusty old bridge is going to go, and they're going to put a lift in both sides and a new bridge. Here comes a train. What number? 66717. Nice and slow today. One 95010 going to Nottingham.